This is Project Gizmo, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Gizmo is painted in full gloss Arles blue with black accents. Gizmo sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a 6-point external roll cage, classic front bumper, E.C.D black steering guard and NAS rear step. Inside, Gizmo features an Exmoor Evander wooden steering wheel with classic white gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front seats, a 60-40 split mid-row, and a seat-free cargo area for extra space. Each of the seats is finished in a single vertical diamond Garrett Cadence licorice leather and Cadence Spice leather stitched together in Garrett sumac. Gizmo is powered by our GM 450 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern conveniences such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, and access to USB ports throughout.